How fast is development of a COVID-19 vaccine moving and when will it be ready? Incredibly fast. Faster than any vaccine has ever been developed before, but we will have to wait a while longer yet. Everyone is aware of the urgency. No interview with a scientist trying to develop a COVID-19 vaccine passes without the urgent question, when will it be ready? But the answer is probably not this year. Next spring is far more likely. It is essential that any vaccine is very safe and at least moderately effective. To be sure of both those things, a lot of data from trials involving tens of thousands of volunteers needs to be collected and then assessed and verified by regulators. And the volunteers need to be in the middle of an outbreak, where people are at risk of infection. Sadly, it's only when unvaccinated people fall sick and vaccinated people do not that you know it works. If that seems like a long time to wait, it's not much more than a nanosecond in terms of normal vaccine development. A group of scientists who have a bright idea for a way to make a vaccine against a virus would spend months or years doing the early work involving laboratory tests. If they develop something that they think will work, they must carry out animal studies to prove their potential vaccine is safe before it goes anywhere near a human being. Then there are 3 phases of human clinical trials. Phase 1 is in a small group of healthy volunteers, injected with the vaccine to make sure there are no side effects that didn't show up in animals. Phase 2 are larger trials involving a group who are vaccinated and a group who are not, to see whether there is an effect. These might be in a few hundred people. Phase 3 are very large-scale trials, involving tens of thousands, usually in a number of locations. That will produce the proof that it works, or partially works, or doesn't work. Normally all of this, tied up with a big bundle of red tape as well as the necessary ethical approvals, takes a few years. Maybe longer. The speed of progress with the COVID vaccine is astonishing.